What does mental health mean to you?
According to me, I think mental health is just a state of emotional well being.
So, mental health, according to me, is the sister of physical health, and it deals with the non tangible aspects of the human body, such as feelings and emotions.
I think mental health is a person's mental and emotional well being. How a person kind of behaves, feels, or reacts in a particular situation.
It is a state of happiness, bliss, and acceptance of who you are as you are.
Mental health to me is just reaching a state of awareness.
Emotional well-being, being happy, and also being stress-free. I think that's very important.
And basically everything that drives our actions, our feelings, our emotions and perspective, all of it I feel is sourced to the mental health of a person.
I think mental health is a person's ability, a particular person's ability to think, to show certain kind of emotions.
I believe that just as how we take out enough time every single day to ensure that we sleep on time, that we eat all the right things, that we exercise enough to be physically fit, I think it's equally important to take enough time out to really just sit with ourselves and understand what we're feeling.
Mental health to me means a feeling of peace and calm.
So to me, mental health is when an individual is able to cope with his or her own stresses and anxieties.
Mental health to me means to have the perfect emotional and psychological well-being. It is how do we conduct ourselves on a day-to-day basis, how do we think, feel and talk to people around us, with children at home, with with people around us in society, with colleagues at work front.
It's one of the most important aspects of a person's overall well-being. It determines the way we behave, the decisions we take, our relationships, and in turn, how we live our lives.
Do you think people around you are aware about mental health? What stigma do you or people have about mental health?
I don't think so. There's so much awareness, especially in our country, about mental health. And like you mentioned, there is a lot of stigma around it. People think mental, health is only about going crazy in the head.
I think people to a large extent are aware of what mental health is.
Mental health is quite a general topic.
I believe we all need a person to talk to vent our emotions out.
I think this is one of the major issues with mental health that people don't like to talk about.
It's a very sort of concealed conversation topic.
Somewhere there is still the stigma associated with reaching out for mental help.
I don't know about the stigma that is attached around me, but I do know that it's not a topic which is talked about openly or daily.
Society today, there's still a very strong stigma attached around mental health, and this actively inhibits people from coming forward with their struggles with mental health and mental well-being.
We are still learning about mental health, and social media has played a very important role.
I think mental health is often ignored and still has a lot of stigma attached to it.
I still think a majority of people are very reluctant to accept about mental illness.
We have not had the opportunity to focus on this problem, believing as we do that we have bigger ones.
Mental health is that very often it was used to make fun of someone.
Why do you think people should be aware about the importance of mental wellness?
I think we as a society are so obsessed about physical fitness that somewhere the importance of mental well-being is being ignored.
I think apart from physical health, sometimes the person is not in the right mental health or mental state of mind. That's just going to lead to a very unhealthy and unstable lifestyle and life for himself or herself, and also the family and people around it.
The level of awareness with respect to mental health in India in particular is very low.
As a community, as a country, and as the entire world, if we flourish mentally, we flourish physically. If we flourish physically, we flourish mentally.
Our mind is at the core of it, and We have to constantly keep it in check, how our thoughts are affecting us, our actions.
If we're constantly stressed out, if we have anxiety, if we're not happy from inside, then all those things are completely void.
Our mental health is what drives each of our actions, our responses, our perceptions, everything.
Mental wellness is something that you should take time out from your other daily routines.
So it is very important that we disconnect, we take some time out for ourselves, we do activities in which we feel really happy and peaceful.
With more and more stressful events happening in all our lives, it is essential that we create those safe spaces where people can come forward with their struggles.
It directly determines the way we live our lives. It being mentally and emotionally healthy.
Sometimes people right next to us are struggling and we don't realize this. So by talking and understanding the situation, we are indirectly offering help.
Good mental health allows one to understand their capabilities, hence helping them become a happy, productive member of society.
Mental health and physical health go hand in hand to making sure a human being is doing well, is well catered to, and is happy.